Alright, so what's up guys? It's me, Anastasia. I know I'm making a whole bunch of videos, but I'm telling you something right now.
Somebody's scoffing her.
Yeah, somebody's scoffing me. So it's this girl. Wait, I think it's a boy or a girl, I don't know. She probably got a girl name or something. But I actually made Pranky my grandma my cousin. And my cousin, I put my cousin. So after I did my video, she gonna copy off of me. Or it's a boy. I don't know. But whoever copy off of me, you need to stop. Because I made that video before, way before you, honey boo boo. Or honey boy. Because I ain't playing with you. Copy off of me one more time, or you gonna catch these hands, or you gonna catch his mouth talking about you.
Isn't good or enough.
Why did she put those in her like that?
So I don't know. Watch out. So talk about me one more time. Hold up.
Or an adventurous duo.
Yeah, you gonna get this mouth or these hands.
So all you do is follow the
wherever you live, you gonna get these hands or get this mouth talking about you, or this foot up your behind, or
you never dreamed you could make.
I see y'all later.
Or the shoulder.
So gather
Alright, so catch these hands, or you'll get punched. In here, in here, or in here,
or you can apply right now
put
over
this
the
foot
phone if you
up
like.
your booty hole.
Plan gives your child
Or
$10,000 in whole life
up in
insurance protection now.
here.
It doubles automatically to $20,000
Play this game one more
later.
time. Hold up, let me stand up.
Later on, your child can buy more, up to $100,000 in total protection,
Or
regardless of their health or job.
let's have
Times the original amount.
a dance
The
battle.
plan also
Me and my
builds cash
sister,
value over
between
time
you and your
that you can
cousins
borrow
or whatever,
later.
only
Give
two.
your child a head
Let's
start
go.
for just pennies a day.
So,
Don't
hold up,
wait.
we
Call
gon-
now for free information.
Alright, here we go.
Cake.
Copy.
Cake.
Copy. Food. One more time.
Balloon. Cake.
Copy.
A tug of war and a
Copy.
pin.
One more time.
Cake.
Copy. One more
Lots of
time.
friends. Fun.
Out. 1, 2.
Cake.
Copy. One more time. We I ain't playing with these ones that girls they keep on copying off of me. Every time I make a video, you copying off of me. Talk off that smack, but you even don't want to fight. I'm gonna punch you in your lip if you don't keep copying off of me. I ain't playing with you. Stop copying off of me. I've been making videos and since I was 3. Now you copy off of me since you was 6. Oh, what year you was born? You was born in 2009 or 2008? First of all, I was born on May 29th and in 2008. I ain't playing with you. Stop copying off of me. I'm out. Peace.